So our next topic is the assignment operator.
If you haven't watched our previous video on part 1 of operators, then please do go and watch it for better clarity of this concept.
The first assignment operator is equal. It is used to assign a value to the variable. Over here we see this is the assignment operator. It assigns the value 9 to the variable a. The next one is plus equal to. So here it is integer a equal to a plus 10. So if I do it like this, a plus equal to 5, and when I print a, so it is coming 15. Okay, let me tell you why. A plus equal to 5, it means basically a equal to a plus 5. So over here a equal to a plus 5. A's value is 10 at first, plus 5, that is 15. Same goes for this minus. There is one thing called minus equal to. It is also same. It will come 5 because a minus equal to 5, that means a equal to a minus 5, that is a equal to 10 minus 5. Alright, which is 5. There are many others like a multiplied equal to, a divided equal to, a modulus equal to. Okay, many others. You can surely try these things. These are way too interesting. Next, we are going to study about the comparison operator. The comparison operator is used to compare two values. There are two values. We have this thing though in mathematics: greater than sign, less than sign, equal to sign. So these are only comparison operators. They are helpful in decision making. Now you are deciding that whether this number is bigger or that number is bigger. So it is helpful in decision making. It returns Boolean values, that is either true or false. Now the first comparison operator is equal to. Integer a equal to 10 is there already. We'll write integer b equal to 15. We'll create a boolean over here, boolean c, okay, which will tell us if a is equal to b. So this boolean c will tell us that is 10 equal to 15. So when we print c and run the program, false, because 10 is not equal to 15. So it is coming false. But instead, if I wrote 10 over here, and again if we run the program, it will come true because 10 is equal to 10. Alright. Next comparison operator is not equal to. This is just the reverse. Not equal to. This boolean c is telling us that if a is not equal to b, then you have to print true. If a is equal to b, then you will print false. Okay, it's just the opposite of what we did the previous. It's opposite of equal to, false, because these are equal, 10 equal to 10, so it is telling false. The next comparison operator is less than, and again it is greater than. Let's make it 15 once more, and we'll give the less than sign over here. True, because 10 is less than 15. A is less than B, so it is true. And it will be false in case of greater than sign, false, because 10 is not greater than 15. Alright, next is less than equal to and greater than equal to. So this is, if I place it greater than 2, it is telling us that if A is greater than or equal to B, I will print true. Okay, I'll make it 10 once more. It is coming true because first it is checking that if A is greater than B. It sees that A is not greater than B. 10 is, how can 10 be greater than 10, right? Next it is checking if it is equal to B. It sees that 10 is equal to 10, so A is equal to B. That's why it printed true. Same goes for less than equal to. It will check if A is less than or equal to B. It will again come true because A is means 10 is less than 15. Logical operator. It returns Boolean values as well, true, false. It determines logic between variables and values. Okay, now logical operator are of three types: logical and, logical or, and logical not. First, we'll see the logical and. I will write here A equal to B, logical and A less than B. Okay, so when we print it, it will print false. Okay, because it will check first if A is equal to B. Okay, A is not equal to B, 10 is not equal to 15. After that, A less than B, second condition, A less than B, A is less than B. Okay, we can see here A is less than B because 10 is less than 15 obviously. But there is a and here. One condition is true, another condition is false. Then answer will be false because there is an and here. Both conditions need to apply. If all the conditions given apply, then only result will be true. Otherwise, result will be false. Now, if I place or over here, the answer will be true. Why it is true, let me tell you, because it will check the first condition, that if A is equal to B. A is not equal to B, so it will move to the second condition now. A is less than B or not. A is less than B because 10 is less than 15. This logical or tells Boolean C that if any of these conditions are true, my answer will be true. Okay, I'm opposite of logical and. Any of the conditions apply to true, then I will be true. Next is the logical not. So previously the example we had taken for logical and, I am again taking that example for this one. If you analyze it carefully, the answer will be false. If logical not comes over here, let me give a parenthesis over here so that we are able to differentiate. When logical not comes in the scene, it will reverse the answer. If the answer is false, it will make it true. If the answer is true, it will make it false. And the answer is false over here. When we run the program, it will come true. See, answer is reversed. So I hope whatever was told in the video, you understood that. If some doubts are uncleared, please leave them down in the comments and make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. I'll see you in the next tutorial with a new topic, that is strings. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing. Bye bye.